I am driving to some seaport place. I don't even know what it's called. I think it's by the beach, but me and Chris, I'm gonna bring my OneWheel, he's bringing his scooter, and then his girl is meeting him there, and we're all gonna ride our electric devices, and I'm gonna film some stuff with the GoPro, and it should be pretty cool. So I'll see you guys when we get there. We have arrived at the seaport. We got the OneWheel. Pop this buddy out. Yeah. But where is Chris? Look, there he is. Damn, the zoom is so slow. Hi, Chris. Damn, dude, you reckless, bro. Oh, almost into the OneWheel. You got discs on brakes on those?
Check them out, bro.
What the fuck? This thing must have cost like $500.
107 on eBay.
Oh, but what about shipping?
It was included.
Oh, the music! Oh, you're killing it! Never!
What did he say?
He's like, yo, let me ride it! I'm like, never! Just heading back in the hotel right now on the OneWheel. Here I am. Okay. All right. Got some really good stuff with the GoPro today by the beach, and I got a new toy. Thanks to Newbie Drone, the Osmo action camera by DJI. So this one is pretty much just like a GoPro, except the nice thing about this one is it's actually got a little screen in the front right there so that you can kind of see what you're doing, because on the GoPros, I kind of just hold it up and I'm kind of in the blind to see what's going on. So this will be another fun little toy to do some videos on the OneWheel. Anyways, that's it for you guys. I will see you in the next video. Later. Chris, what do you got to say?
Bye.